All right, now that we've got our berries into our pie crust, I'm taking my 2 cans of Sprite over to the stove. 2 7.5-ounce cans of Sprite into our pan. Three-fourths cup of pure cane sugar. Now I'm gonna add in 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. We're just gonna eyeball this. Perfect. Now we're coming in with our strawberry Jello, 3.4 ounces. Let's get this mixed up. 1/2 cup of water. All right, y'all, this is at a rolling boil. Now we're just gonna turn the heat off on this baby and let it sit for 5 minutes. Alrighty, y'all, we let this cool for 5 minutes off of the heat and we're ready to pour. Perfect. Alrighty, y'all, I'm gonna pop this in my fridge for 4 hours. Alrighty, y'all, we ended up leaving our pie overnight, but it just needed a few hours to set. Look how beautiful that looks. Alrighty, y'all. Gosh, I don't even know where I'm gonna get in here, Marty. All these delicious, big strawberry chunks. Ooh, make sure I'm getting all the way down to that crust. Cutting through some of my berries here. Make sure I'm getting that whole crust. You can hear that crust has still got some crunch. Look at that. Beautiful. Just gonna top this with a little bit of Ready Whip. And now, moment of truth. We're gonna get a bite here, y'all. This pie was inspired by the pies they made at Bob's Big Boy back in the day, Shoney's restaurants, that Sprite, that strawberry Jello. Okay, this is outstanding, y'all. Y'all, this is so easy and so good. You've got to try it.